Good morning, Srinivasan. How are you?
I'm good. Bhunesh, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you. So you had been with KARSkillz for driving, and it was an international license conversion.
Yes, it was.
Yep. How was your journey? Please let me know.
It was a good journey. I had to learn a lot. Thanks to Bhunesh for that. So he's a bit tough and particular, but I think you should follow him because in the test also they ask many of such questions. So try hard and follow all the instructions given by your instructor. Then you can do well.
And what do you say about your learning in the past? Does it help much or not?
Learning in the past gave me some stability in driving, but there are some additional rules which you need to know, which is in Australia. There are many rules which you need to know. So you cannot do without an instructor. You need to have an
So in the first or two lessons, your morale went down because you thought that you know learning, but now it is zero, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then with the coaching, how did you feel?
Yeah, with the coaching, I knew many things to follow, what need to be followed in the rules. So I had to keep that in mind, and so I did everything. So that helped me. And the instructor was good in helping me out, pointing all the faults in my.
And what about the 5 compulsory tasks which you did?
Yeah.
5 compulsory tasks.
I
How
did.
were the strategies taught to you?
Yeah, the strategies were, first strategy was to general rules on the roads, like U-turns, the roundabouts, changing lanes, and then slowly we moved into 3-point turns, and also the angle parking and parking inside, parking it outside, taking it out. Then also the parallel parking.
Yep.
So step by step we took it in each class, and then that's how we learned. And in the last 1 or 2 lessons, it's good to go to the site where your test is and try to get to know the surroundings.
Okay. How was the steering helping you hand over hand?
Yes, the steering, it's important to have hand over hand. In the first, even the examiner, in the first test when I was doing, he was also pointing it out that, so these things you have to note what your instructor says, and then, yeah, you cannot keep your hand under or keep it in the middle. So it's better to keep it on the steering wheel on hand over hand.
Yeah. And you will suggest your family friends?
Yes, definitely. My wife is also planning to get the license, so she will be coming with Bhunesh.
Okay, thanks. Best luck.
Thank you.